Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So guys, click start and go to setting or click on network and internet, then click mobile hotspot, then just turn on, then share internet connections. So this is your, if you want to change, so you can change the network name, and this is your password, and this is frequency 5G or 4G. Okay, so you can set any and you can change. Okay, and this is QR code to scan connect, maximum 8 device you can connect. Okay, then property, this is property extract to change, and then close it, then click to start, type service.msc, right click to run as administrator, then find out internet internet connection sharing, press I, and find out the intel internet connection series. To left hand side you can see stop and restart, otherwise it is not showing here. You just double click stop and then click to again start, and then close. Okay, and close it. After that, restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.